Hello YouTube, it's Craig with Kazworks Woodworking. Well, I wasn't particularly happy with the joint when I combined these two pieces after I ripped them in half so I could plane them down. So I am going to cut it again, right at the same joint, and I'm going to run it through the jointer. And then I'll make sure that I put some blocks, I'll glue some blocks on it that will allow me to put better clamping pressure. Since the edges of these are not flat, the clamps didn't work that well and didn't pull it together. And I probably will not use biscuits, I'll just use the glue. The glue's much stronger. The biscuits were just for alignment, but I think they actually got in the way in this case. So let's get to it. Okay, as you can see, I got everything glued up. It's actually going to be sitting here for a couple of weeks. I'm going to be out of town. I'm going to be doing some work on our family home up in Maine with my two brothers. Looking forward to that. I'm going to try and get some footage for that, but this will be the last video right now on this table until I get back, and then I'll finish it up. Have a great week.